Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. So our title for today is Eco-Friendly Day. Okay, amazing. So yeah, let's see you in the learning outcomes. Well, simply the learning outcomes are things you're supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So you will be able to, number 1, plan an eco-friendly event and express ideas clearly. 2, use environmental vocabulary correctly. 3, create a poster promoting ways to save nature. Okay, that's awesome. So yeah, let's jump into the warm-up activity. So, here we have an image, okay, and I need to ask you what's happening in this picture. What do you think? Yes, there's a boy and a girl, and what are they doing? Yes, they are recycling. Thank you. Okay, so why is it important? What do you think? Yes, because it makes the environment clean and safe, yeah? It protects the nature, actually. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, well, right now you have to go and watch a video for 3 times, and when you come back, we will have to answer these questions. But first, before going, let me read the questions for you. Question 1, what problem does Ali talk about? 2, what does Sarah suggest? 3, how will they tell people about the cleanup day? Okay, that's awesome. So now please go and watch it for 3 times, and yeah, I'll be waiting for you.
Our neighborhood is really messy. There's trash everywhere.
We should organize a cleanup day.
That's a great idea. When should we do it?
How about Saturday morning? We can invite our friends.
Yes, and we can make a poster to tell everyone. Our neighborhood is really messy. There's trash everywhere.
We should organize a cleanup day.
That's a great idea. When should we do it?
How about Saturday morning? We can invite our friends.
Yes, and we can make a poster to tell everyone. Our neighborhood is really messy. There's trash everywhere.
We should organize a cleanup day.
That's a great idea. When should we do it?
How about Saturday morning? We can invite our friends.
Yes, and we can make a poster to tell everyone.
Okay, welcome back. So question 1, what problem does Ali talk about? Yes, that their neighborhood is really messy. Okay, amazing. Question 2, what does Sarah suggest? Yes, that they should organize a cleanup day. Great. 3, how will they tell people about the cleanup day? Yes, they'll make a poster to tell everyone. Okay, you're doing amazing. So let's see on the vocabulary part. Well, the first word here is cleanup. 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 Yeah, as you can see in the image here, it's cleanup. Yeah. Well, pollution. 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 Volunteer. Volunteer. Volunteer, like تطوع. Organize. Organize. Organize, to put things in order. Yeah. Environment. 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 Okay. Trash. 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 Right? Reduce. Reduce, like decrease. Reduce. Litter. Litter is like rubbish or, trash. Compost. 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 سماد. Protect. 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 Donate. Donate. Donate, like تبرع. Community. 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 Yeah, like we're a group of people who have the same goal, we're like on the same page. Yeah, we're a perfect community. Well, let's have our first practice. Okay. All right. So let's match the sentences with words. So first one, to throw garbage in the wrong place. Yes, letter. Thank you. Well, number two, to plan and arrange an event. Organize. Three, helping without being paid. Yes, volunteer. Four, a place where people live together. Yes, community. Five, to save something from harm. Protect. Okay. When air, water, or land is dirty. Yes, pollution. Well, to get rid of waste in a good way. Reduce, yeah. To give away things you don't need. Donate. The natural world. Yes, environment. To collect trash to make a place clean. Yes, clean up. Thank you so much. Okay. So yeah, let's see you in the phonics part. Well, here we have to learn how to pronounce the T-I-O-N when they come together. Simply pronounce as shun, as in pollution, donation, protection. Pollution, donation, protection. Just shun. Okay, perfect. Well, let's see you in the reading part. Okay, here we have a small text. We read it together and then we'll answer a couple of questions. So last Saturday, a group of volunteers organized a park cleanup. They picked up the trash and planted trees. Many people joined to help the environment. The community worked together to reduce pollution. Now the park looks beautiful. Okay, that's amazing. So, question one, what did the volunteers do? Yes, they organized a park cleanup day. Okay. Two, how did the cleanup help the environment? Yes, because like they planted trees, they picked up the trash, and now it looks beautiful. Well, what happened to the park after the cleanup? Exactly, as we said, it looks now beautiful. Perfect. Okay, so let's see in the grammar part. Well, in the grammar, we learn how can you use let's and how about. All right. First one, use let's plus verb to suggest an activity. نقترح. Okay. For example, let's plant trees. Well, use how about plus ing to suggest an idea. Okay. For example, how about organizing a cleanup? So let's verb, suggest activity. How about ing to suggest an idea, all right, that we have. Okay, perfect. Let's have our second practice. Okay, simply all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. Okay, so yeah, question one. Recycle plastic bottles. Yes, let's recycle plastic bottles. Well, two, pick up litter. Yes, let's pick up litter. A tree planting day. Yes, how about? Okay, four, turn off the lights. Yeah, should we turn off the lights? Question five, reduce waste. Yes, let's reduce waste. Okay, number six, donate old clothes. Yes, let's donate. Okay, seven, save water. Let's save water. Thank you, that was really amazing. Okay, let's see in the speaking part. Okay, now I need you to plan an eco-friendly event. Well, so simply you have to choose your role, okay, and try to suggest ideas. For example, let's organize a cleanup day or something, okay? You also have to set the exact day and time, I mean the date, okay? And please add details using the grammar and the vocab that we learned. So let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yes, perfect. Okay, that's awesome. And this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next session, inshallah. Don't forget your homework, and bye.